What's up, people? Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Shaw Bluecurve remote or your Rogers Ignite remote. The TV I'm going to use today is a Samsung. And also don't forget to pull your tab if this is a brand new remote for you. So the first thing we're going to want to do is hold the setup button here at the bottom. I'll show you a closer look there, right? And the light at the top, once you hold it down, should go green. Once it goes green, you enter your code. So there's two ways to program the remote. You can enter the code like I just did for the Samsung, which is 12051. Of course, I'll put the code list up as well. Another way is to do the same thing, but instead you press 991 and channel up until your TV turns off. Once it turns off, you hit the setup button to then lock it in, or the OK button. It's usually the setup button though. If you enter the direct code, it should just sync right away. You won't really have to press the setup button. Thank you for watching. This has been another short tutorial about remotes. Have a good one.